In this video I am going to show you how to create this 3D parallax effect in CapCut. So we are going to use Leonardo photoroom plus CapCut to make this possible. So first we will generate an image with Leonardo, then we will use photoroom to remove the object from the background, and then we will remove the background. Then we will use CapCut to edit it. So I will put all links in the description, so let's get into the video. First go to leonardo.com, then click on Get Started. So if you don't have any account you can sign in for free. Now click on Image Generation. Then put your prompt here to generate your image. And also you can change the image dimension if you want. So I will set mine at 16 by 9. So I have already generated some images I will be using, so just download it. So go to photoroom, then drag and drop the image you downloaded here. Now use the brush to select your object until you get a clean background. Then click on the download button and select standard resolution to download it. So now we are going to remove the background. So click on photo editor, then select my background remover. Then drag and drop the image here, then wait for a while for the background to be removed. Then download it. Now open CapCut, then import your images to the media panel. Now add them to the timeline. Then place your object image on top of the background. So this is our footage. So go to Basic and add a keyframe under Transform. Now select the second footage, then add a keyframe at Transform. So you can extend your video to the duration you want. Now select the background footage, then scale your image slightly. Then select the other footage and scale it up, but for the one, we will scale it much more than the first one. So this will create a zoom in effect just like this. So let's add some effects to our footage. So go to Effects. So under Video Effect, search Play Pendulum. Then add it to the background footage. Now adjust the effect to how you want it. So play around until you get what you want, and I will put mine on the screen to use as reference. So add the same effect to the other footage. Adjust the effect to what you want. So let's play our video and see. So I will add some lightning effect to our video. So under Video Effect, scroll to Nature. Then I will add this lightning effect to the timeline. So now I will place it in between my footages. Then trim it and position it a couple of frames forward. So let's play our video. So you can make more duplicates of the effect and place it at where you want. So this is how to turn your images into 3D parallax effect using CapCut. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if you like the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.